After almost 8 weeks of working remotely, ITC Infotech employees started reporting to office as part of phase 1 of our calibrated, safe return to the workplace. Employees returned to our headquarters in Bangalore and stepped into a new familiar. We went around the campus and asked our colleagues to answer 5 simple questions. How does it feel to be back in office?
Happy and back to kingdom.
Yeah, it's good to be in office after a long time.
And birds chirping feels like a walk in the park right now.
I've actually missed my office for a couple of months now.
I was getting thoroughly bored and a little impatient with my captivity at home.
I feel like a new join on the first day of work over here.
I am at office from the first day of the lockdown.
And right now it's very refreshing to see our colleagues back to office.
I'm really satisfied with all the precautions taken by the management.
A lot of efforts has been put in by ITC Infotech.
I feel great.
What is new?
There are many new things.
Especially the ones related to communication with customer.
It's a new normal.
Less of team meetings. The customer meetings are also in a way where we don't see conference rooms on the other side.
Precautionary measures which team has taken in terms of safety and hygiene.
At the entrance, they guide you.
That I have to wear this mask and keep the social distancing.
We missed our friends.
There's no people around the campus feeling lonely.
It's a bit empty. The office looks pretty clean.
How is your family reacting?
They are pretty confident.
Family is happy that I'm away.
Mixed reaction, I would say. So they enjoyed me around while working from home.
Now my son is not looking when I say I'm going to office. He's looking, no, don't go.
And they were like, if there are special measures have been taken in the office and you're safe.
My family was a little apprehensive before coming over here.
But after seeing the video, they are fine.
Cautioned me to wear the mask all the time.
I convinced them like my job nature is to be there only. Otherwise, if I'll be not there, multiple people will get affected.
Shift my family to their parents' house and I'm staying alone.
My mother is a little worried, not about my coming to workplace, but about sanitizing my clothes and shoes after getting back home, although I do not quite know how to do that.
Any suggestions for other colleagues?
Please come back as soon as possible. We are more safe here.
I don't see you should have any other perception. So you can definitely walk into the office.
Clean and safe. I think people can operate from office. So no risk.
Stick to the guidelines which has already been shared.
And we need to fight it together, and this too shall pass.
They should look forward to coming back to work and enjoy this campus.
Download Fight Corona app.
Be safe.
Stay healthy.
Maintain the social distancing.
Be positive.
And keep doing the great work.
What are you looking forward to?
Looking forward to a positive environment around me.
Safer and secure workplace.
Canteen, food courts needs to open.
Meeting every one of you next week.
More collaborative way of working.
Now that I experience both the options, working from home and working from office, I think I need a balance of these two.
I am looking forward to uninterrupted work at office.
Focus more on getting more business for ITC Infotech.
Definitely love to have my whole office back. And we can work together again, we will sit together, we will chat together.
The hardest time of life is behind us.
Things will fall in place and
Looking for a better tomorrow.
These are the stories of ITC Infotech employees reporting for work from office. With employee centricity at the core of all decisions, ITC Infotech will continue to help employees embrace the new normal and provide a safe place to be productive, creative, and innovative. Stay safe, stay healthy.